Hi, hello, namaste, adab. My name is Ed Amarnath.
And my name is Rubendeep.
International news. Scientists have found that honeycomb-shaped solar panels producing more energy. University of Oxford begins human trial of new Ebola vaccine. National news. India launches campaign for UN Security Council seat for 2028 to 29 term. Karnataka CM announces India's first government-driven AI university. Indian origin astronaut Anil Menon set to begin 8-month International Space Station ISS mission.
AP State News. Election Commission extends SIR enumeration by 10 days in Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh's energy consumption reaches peak at 286 million units per day amid heat wave. Sports news. Amravati Championship 2026 in 12 sports disciplines to kick off today in Vijayawada. In football, Spain defeats France 2-0 to reach World Final Cup. In cricket, India defeats England by 6 wickets in their first ODI match. Thought of the day. The future depends on what you do today.
Today's GK question. Do you know, friends, what is the capital city of Tamil Nadu state?
The answer is Chennai.
That's all for today's bulletin. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe for anti